Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a free unlimited alternative to VO3 that's super easy to use. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browsers and search for Dreamina and then just click on the link. Then just log into your account, and if you don't have one yet and want unlimited access to Dreamina, just click the tutorial link in the descriptions. I have got you covered. Now let's get back to the main topic, creating a video. Just click on AI video, this one, and then simply type your prompt. You can also generate a video from an image, but in this tutorial I will show you how to create one from text only. And I will type my prompt like this. Like this, and then you can also choose your ratio that you like. I will choose this ratio, and then you can also choose the durations. I will choose 5 seconds, and then just click generate and just wait for the process. And see Dreamina creating your video automatically. Let's play the video. It looks cool, and once it's done you can download it by click this button, and feel free to explore more of what Dreamina has to offer. So there you go, say goodbye to VO3 and hello to this powerful new AI video tool. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!